Hello, this is the third tutorial video which will cover distributing subscriptions using the License Manager. Before we cover License Manager, remember that the License Manager tool is used by the license admin, a person who has been assigned subscription licenses from the dealer. And now this person, the license admin, is responsible for distributing the subscription licenses to the end users. Once the subscriptions are assigned, the license admin will receive the following email confirming the purchase subscriptions. From this email, the license admin can claim the Trimble ID if they have not done already, or can simply visit the license manager to distribute these subscription licenses. Another method of logging into the license manager without going through the email link is by simply searching up Trimble License Manager on your web browser and clicking on the first link that says Trimble License Manager. Once clicked, you'll be brought to the login page where you can log in using your Trimble ID. Once logged into the License Manager, you'll be brought to the following page. To manage Origin subscription licenses, you will mainly need to navigate the Licenses tab and the Users tab. The Licenses tab is the main tab where you can go to distribute Origin subscriptions to the end users. The Users tab is to manage all the different users. Before we start assigning subscriptions, let's first understand how to add users. To add users, simply click on Users tab. Here you'll be able to see all the different users that have been created, as well as import or create new users. To create users, simply click on Create User button. Fill out the required information and click Create New User. You can also grant them admin access if you want to have multiple people managing the distribution of subscriptions. You can also import users from a CSV file or Trimble Connect. To import users with a CSV file, simply click on Import Users button. Select and drag a file that has format of first name, last name, and email address, and click Import Users. To distribute subscriptions to the end users, simply click on the Licenses tab. You can assign users to the particular subscription licenses by either selecting an existing user or adding a new user, and then clicking on Assign button. Here I will assign an Origin Total Station subscription. Once the subscription has been assigned to the end user, they will receive the following email informing them about the assigned subscription as well as the Trimble ID to log into the Origin subscription. To download Origin subscription, simply connect the device to the internet, open up Spectra Geospatial Installation Manager, or download it from our website if the installation manager is not already pre-installed. Select Origin subscriptions, the desired language, and click Install. To sign into Origin, simply open up Origin subscription on a subscription-enabled device and sign in using your Trimble ID.